NIBCO is a behind-the-wall plumbing manufacturer. 90% of what we sell, we make here in the United States. We are very committed to be an American manufacturer. Our people are why we are great at what we do. We have amazing, loyal associates, and they are so committed to bringing the best quality products to market. We are celebrating NIBCO's 120th year. We were started in 1904 by my great-great-grandfather. Being around for 120 years, I think it shows that we're a stable company. We provide quality products that we believe in, that the contractor can trust. You know, when you install NIBCO, you install something that wants to be around for a very long time. We've done a lot of product innovation, and I want to see that continue. Focus on bringing new products to market, listening to our customer and the contractor and what they need and how to make their life easier. New product that we're highlighting is Webstone's XLC press fittings. So it's a different style end connection than compared to our NIBCO copper fittings. We think it just highlights that we continue to expand our press offering and that we are committed to that technology for the contractor. So with the NIBCO style press fitting, it was a different tool for the large diameter. And the contractors have said, I really like my tool, I don't want to switch. So it's really them being able to use what they want out in the field and providing them with that solution.